Hiya. So it is day 4. Oh, don't mind my edges. My edges are proper damaged, but I will grow them, don't worry. So as promised, I thought I would give you an update on my microlocs. Oh, today this is how I styled it. I've been out all day, so I didn't get to finish today. I didn't get to do any today. I'm hoping to finish them tomorrow. I still haven't finished. But yeah, and this is how they are looking. Yeah. Let me take this off. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. It's hard work to do this. I haven't finished. I've just done the front and a little bit of the back. I haven't done the middle bit, but so far I have installed 312 microlocs, and I'm happy about that because that means I'll probably install more. I probably install more than 400, which is what I really wanted because I'm all about the fullness. That's why I initially wanted to do sister locks. But oh man, the hefty price tag. I could not afford it. You see, when the consultant told me that I'd have to pay 350 per 3 centimeters, and then they would charge extra every centimeter after that. I did ask her if that includes first retightening, because I know sister locks normally, like the price you get at the beginning, the one you're consulted, it usually includes the first retightening. So I did ask her if that includes first retightening, and she said no. So first retightening session, which was going to be after 4 weeks after my installation, I was going to have to pay more. So I was like, no sir, I'm going to try to do this myself. I know it's not tidy. Oh, these edges, man. But yeah, so this is what I've done so far. I don't know if you can see. This is what I've done. It's not much. This here is a little hair. This is what I'm left with. I don't know if you can see. This is all I'm left to do. I've done the back. I've done the back, and I have done the front. I'm actually really happy with it. I cannot wait to finish it and start styling it, and hopefully grow these edges so I can look them as well. Oh, I'm excited. I cannot wait to start this journey. I cannot wait, I'm telling you. So what I did initially, I started interlocking, like the whole lot, interlocking it. I started at the back, but I struggled with it. It was taking too long, and I realized it's gonna take a long time for me to interlock just the whole lot. And because of the back of my hair is really short, I don't know if I can show you. It's short. So when interlocking, because I'm using, I'll show you. This is what I'm using. Let me get some for you. I think the backup, when it's really small, I think the better thing to do is to use the all-lock. But I'm all about economy. I'm all about saving. So I didn't buy the all-lock. Is it all-locker? I think that's what it's called, all-locker. I didn't buy it. Instead, I bought, I don't know if you can see it. These are the children's needles. These are the needles that kids learn to sew with. Because if you give them the metal needle, you end up in the hospital. So when you're teaching children to sew, this is what they use. So this is why I ordered. Actually, I bought on eBay. It was a pack of 10 for £1 something. So it's really cheap for me. So I got these and modified them to, see if I can get it in the bag. I modified it to this. So from this to this. Basically all I did was I took a pair of scissors, cut it until it's really short, and then I took a nail file and filed it up so it's a bit sharp, and then I opened up the little hole. I opened it up a bit so I'll be able to hook my hair to hoop my hair in. Oh, but it's like scratching because my hair is so dry, and I know I cannot use moisturizer at the moment or any lotions at the moment. So hopefully I'm not gonna be scratching a lot. So yeah, so instead of, because it was gonna take me forever, man, to interlock the whole hair. So what I've been doing is, I don't know if you can properly see it. I've been, I don't know if you can see it. There. I've been twisting my hair, two strand twists from the top up to somewhere here, and then I will interlock from here all the way down. That way it's locking, so even if it unravels, it's not gonna unravel the whole thing, because I'm unlocking it, I'm interlocking it from here down. So hopefully it's not gonna unravel anyway. Let's hope for the best. But yeah, so this is where I am so far, day 4. Although I haven't really, I've had a lot going on, so I haven't really done much of it. I haven't spent, well, it was yesterday that I spent a long time on it and finished the whole front and started the back. But today I woke up in the morning, I went to the gym at 9, but woke up in the morning, took care of the babies, went to the gym at 9. I got home around 11, and then me and my family were going to Glasgow. So I just go back in now about 5 minutes ago, and this is 11:30 p.m. nearly midnight. So I haven't had time to do anything really. So I'm hoping tomorrow, if my husband lets me, I'm hoping tomorrow I'll be able to spend a long time on my hair. He says when I'm spending time on my hair, I'm abandoning wifely duties. So tomorrow I'm hoping to get a break so I can finish this up. It's taking too long. Alright, I'll keep you updated, and when I finish I'll let you know. I'm excited. I cannot wait to finish this up. Seriously, I cannot wait to finish this up. But anyway, thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.